Hey guys, Chad here doing a video on credit repair. Do you know that there's over 68 million Americans that have a 600 or less credit score? 68 million people. So if you have bad credit, charge-off, late payments, foreclosures, medical bills, student loans, collection people calling you all the time. If you want to fix your credit problem, give me a call, send me a text. Go to the website, badcreditsucks.info. That is badcreditsucks.info. Go there, let's connect. Let me help you build your credit history up so you can qualify for an auto loan and hate those pesky phone calls. It's very, very simplistic and easy, and you owe it to yourself to have a free consultation. And so we will see you all on the inside. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.